Welcome to Edutainment. Today we will discuss about the antonyms, what antonyms are, and how to learn them. So let's start. Antonyms. Antonyms are the words that have opposite meaning. For example, any word that have opposite meaning of each other. Hot, cold. Courage, fear. Fast, slow. By, son. Parent, child. Teacher, student. True, false. On, off. How to learn antonyms. There are a number of ways through which you can learn the antonyms. For example, you can use Thesaurus, any dictionary, or other electronic resources. You can do practice with word games. Read widely, like your academic books, newspaper, magazine. Try to find out the words having opposite meaning, highlight them, and try to learn. Use the words having opposite meanings in the sentences. So in this way, you can do practice of antonyms. Let's have some examples. Like full. What is the opposite of full? It is empty. Cry. She is crying. Its antonym is laugh. To come. Its antonym is to go. Opaque, transparent. Big, small. Up, down. Below, above. Here are some more words. Let's practice. Happy. Its antonym is sad. Love, hate. Win, loss. Begin, and. Accept, reject. Light, dark. Let's have some more practice in the sentences. You have to find out the antonym of highlighted words. For example, she is known for arriving dash, never late. Here the word late is highlighted or written in bold. You have to find out its antonym and fill in the blank. So what is the antonym of late? It is early. She is known for arriving early, never late. Number 2. Though the situation was tough, they lived with dash, not despair. What is the antonym of despair? It is hope. His words were filled with honesty, never a hint of dash. Desist. We dream of dash, but we fear of failure. The antonym of failure is success. He prefers working in silence, not in dash. Antonym of silence is noise. She moved with such dash, unlike her clumsiness, stumbling. What is the antonym of clumsiness? It is grace. They fought for peace, not for dash. Antonym of peace is conflict. He ruled with dash, never with hatred in his heart. Opposite of hatred is love. Antonym quiz. What is the opposite of easy? You have 4 options: fun, hard, light, fast. Write the correct option in comment. Number 2 is, what is the antonym of tall? You have 4 options: long, short, big, small. The surprise party. Here is a paragraph in which some words are written in bold with red color. You have to replace these words with their antonyms and rewrite the paragraph. So let's read it. Alina was very happy because she thought everyone forget her birthday. When she walked into the house, it was lighted and noisy. Suddenly, the lights turned on and everyone shouted, "Surprise!" Her face went from happy to angry in seconds. The room was decorated with ugly paper and balloons, but the feeling of joy made everyone look ugly to her. Now rephrase the sentences with the correct antonym. Write the answers in comment section. A day at the farm. Change the highlighted words with suitable antonyms from the box. We got to the farm late in the morning. The sun was dim and the air was cool. The farmer showed us the animals and gave us sour milk to try. At noon, the weather became stormy, but later on a storm made everything silent and safe. We had to go home slowly instead of staying shorter. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.